So, what can we say? Except that we decided to move to Mexico back in October and sold a home in the United States. Came down expecting we would be in San Miguel de Allende, and called Karen and Sheila to set up a 2-hour appointment just to tour around the lake and just check it out. And they spent literally almost 2 weeks with us, basically, and we found our dream home. So if you need a realtor, do not hesitate to call Sheila and Karen, the dynamic duo. They call them the dynamic duo for a good reason. And you will have zero regrets. We've got friends now here permanently because of Karen and Sheila. So,
Thanks.
Yeah.
Excellent service. They showed us around the town. They showed us a number of different neighborhoods and a number of different properties. And that's how we finally ended up with the one that we really liked. And I know we're going to love it. It's really a fabulous place. And we're able to, the great thing is that we're able to do it. So we're finally living our dream of being able to retire here in Mexico.
Yeah, and we owe it all to Karen and Sheila.